Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Melissa here, and today I got another wig unboxing for you guys. So if you guys are ready to see that, please stay. So to start this video off, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Yes, so guys, Unice Hair reached out to me. Unice Hair reached out to me to do a review on one of their wigs, and yes, I chose this 16-inch Upart wig. Guys, they do have headband wigs. Go check them out. Link is in the description with a coupon code. Check them out, okay guys? But we're gonna unbox this Upart wig right now. So you guys know I'm bad with unboxings, or unboxing the box. So you're gonna have to give me a minute. But before I do that, it shows you how to care for the wig on the back of the box, okay guys? So it has a bunch of stuff that you can do on the back, so that helps you as well. And then on the front, it tells you what the size of the wig, the length of the wig, I'm sorry. And I did say 16, it's actually a 14-inch wig, okay? All right, so give me a second to get this open and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I guess I make these unboxings harder than they are. Look at that. I'm so silly. So this is how the inside looks. All these companies usually give the wig caps. So yeah, they always have the wig caps. Usually there's two. How many are in this one? It looks like it's only one in this, but I have several wig caps. I'm pretty sure you guys do too if you wear wigs. Okay, they inserted a elastic band. And of course, I want to see how long it is. It looks pretty long. Oh, okay. So these are like the adjuster straps. That is awesome. And they have little ones. Okay. Okay, Unice Hair. Come through. Okay, and then of course, we have the wig. And you guys need to stay tuned because I'm also going to demonstrate putting it on. And of course it's in the beautiful netting, packaged really nice. Okay, very soft. All right, gotta get the netting off. Okay, look at that guys. And of course it has, up front, those little straps that I clip off, the inside construction. And from what I see, it has the adjustable straps. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 combs on this wig. And the length is 14 inches. It's really soft. It's 100% human hair. And I'm gonna try this wig on for you guys so you guys can see how it looks. Okay guys, here we go. This is the wig. I am going to cut off those two little straps in the middle. And there you have it. 6 combs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and adjustable straps. Clipping my hair out the way so we can apply this wig. And you want to make sure your wig is laying as flat as possible. I did not have a wig cap on, but I should have. It would have made it lay much flatter. But the wave on this wig is amazing. I really like it. It also has layers in it, and it's going to really look nice once I straighten it and style it. And I'm using my Revlon flat iron, Old Faithful, that I got from Walmart, just to see how it straightens. As you see, it straightens really well.
So now we're gonna go in and straighten that leave out, guys. Make it blend with this wig. And I also wanted to add, guys, this wig is so lightweight. It was warm this day and I wore it out and it was so lightweight. I wasn't getting all sweaty and stuff, you know, so I really love this wig. Now I'm gonna just put some curls in it to see how that turns out. And what I'm doing here is just putting some curls in this wig, just to, you know, see how that works. And as you can see, the curls are popping. I probably will need to put some hairspray to keep the curls, but overall, this wig curled really nice. See, look at that. Nice and curled up, blended really nice. Ready to go. And there you have it, guys. You know, I gotta model it real quick, but this is the finished results of this Upart wig, 100% human hair wig. So guys, this is the end of my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you guys have a great day. See you later. Bye.
Hey guys, it's Melissa here, and today I'm coming to you with another Dollar Tree haul.